welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be, I'm going to be reviewing the Carli Bybel collab with Il Makiage. I got her Bybel lip liner, and then I got this little cute, I think it was the Cosmic Lip Collection. So inside is this beautiful like lipstick, lip gloss, and lip liner. I got that right. And then I have this lip liner here in the color Bybel. Super cute. I love this packaging. It is so pretty. Like, look at that. So first off, I'm going to use the whole like kit because I'm guessing that's why she put it all together. So this is the waterproof lip liner in Luna. Is what that looks like. Sorry, I got blinds that are like half up, half down, so they're all crazy. Alright, so I'm going to use this first on my lips and see how it goes. I like to fill in my whole lip. So that is Lunar. It goes on really nice, but my lips are like super dry, so it's kind of a little bit of a pain, but other than my little dryness, that was really nice. Alright, so this is the lipstick. Into the brightness. But that is the lipstick. I'll probably just zoom in on this so you guys can see it. It's like really pretty and kind of has like a graininess to it, and it has like stars on it. But anyways, it looks like it's gonna be grainy, but it's like so smooth. It's like really smooth. And it has a magnetic close. Okay, so now, real quick, I'm just gonna shake my lips a little bit. So it's like super smooth. I like how it looks. I like how it feels. It's not like super like thick or like intense or crazy. And I think it's supposed to matte. Yep, it's a matte lip color. And then in this lip kit, the color Star Child came with it, which is like this. I'll try to zoom in on that a little bit. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this. It is so sparkly, holy cripes. That's so pretty. So that is the entire lip kit. It feels really good on the lips. Like, my lips were like dry, now they're not dry anymore. And I feel like when you put on a matte, sometimes it like re-dries what was already dry out. So these are actually really nice. I'm just mixing it all in right now. And then this is the Bybel lip liner. I will do a little tester of it on the back of my hand. So it's like super pretty. It looks pretty much identical to the Libra. That's what this one's called, sorry. The Libra lipstick. They're like really close in color. Kind of. This is a little more nude. So that's the lipstick next to Bible. The Libra next to Bible, yeah. Libra and Bible next to each other. So this is a really cute lip liner color. I can use this one with quite a few because it has like a nudie pink tint. So it would look good, I think, with both, like a nude color or a pinky nude. Pretty much all nudes just because it's got a nice base to it. But I really like this collab. Like, it feels really nice on the lips. It like doesn't feel super dry. I mean, obviously I put lip gloss on it, so that probably makes a difference. But even before I put the lip gloss on, it was like super nice and creamy. And I like the little star design on it. It's really cute. I really like this collab. I think she did a great job on it. I've never bought anything from Il Makiage either, so it was really cool to try out. So I am about it. So if you guys are questioning if you should get it or not, you totally should. It works super well. It feels really nice. And yeah, that is my opinion review on it. You can see on my lip, it looks really pretty. So you guys should try it if you haven't, if it's still in stock. I don't even know if it's in stock anymore. This lip liner was $15, and this was like either $35 or $38, maybe $39. It was under $40. That's all I know. It was somewhere in the mid to higher 30s. But yeah, I really enjoyed this. It feels nice on the lips, and that's all I guess I have to say about it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!